Hi, I'm glad to see you again today. So I tell you what, let's have them run all the colors across the screen that you need to paint along with me. And while they're doing that, let's go on up here and get started. I'm going to start today with a small amount of Indian yellow. Just the least little amount on the 2-inch brush. Just tap a little color in there. Let's make a nice little, like a little sunset back here. Like so. And we'll just start and just drag a little color across like that. Like that. Right into crimson, alizarin crimson. Still using the same brush, have not washed it. Okay, I'm gonna go right up above the yellow. I'm just gonna add a little bit of that same color down here into the water. Tell you what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add a little bit more crimson because now we've wiped most of the yellow out of the brush. So it'll look a little more into the reddish hue. I want it to be a little brighter right above that. Now then I'm going to go into phthalo blue. I have not washed the brush yet. Just enough to give it a slight lavender hue, but very blue yet, very blue. And just drop a little bit of that on. This phthalo blue is very transparent. So let me show you here. We'll take the old knife, pull the paint out very flat, and just cut across. Get us a little roll of paint. And let's put some little streaky clouds back here. All you have to do is just rub it across the canvas. Just rub. That's all there is to it. Wherever you want them. See there? And maybe in here, you want to put the indication of a little cloud that's just sort of floating around. I'm going to start with black and Van Dyke brown and a little bit of Prussian blue in it. It should be very dark, mostly black. There he goes, right about here. I let him drop down. See there? You just put him wherever you want him. Some dark sienna, I'll take some bright red, add a little yellow ochre. And you can come right up here, no pressure, and you can just lay them all on here like that. All kinds of little different things are happening in there. And just pull it down. Prussian blue, dark sienna, and I'm not mixing these very much. I don't want them hardly mixed at all. And I just want to tap the base of this mountain. I want to create the illusion of mist down here. We use that same basic old mountain color. It's black and blue, a little brown in it. Very dark though, it should look black. Let's do this. Let's get brave today. Maybe this big son of a gun just comes right on down. Put a little bump right there. Let's make us a little reflection underneath that. All we have to do is just grab a little of that and pull it downward. We'll take some yellows and we'll get into some greens. Dark green here. Now we'll take a little brown and just put in the indication of a little bit of land. Take a little bit of the liquid white, pull it out very flat. And with that, we can come right in here and cut us in a water line. See how that stands out? I just want to put the indication here and there of just an evergreen tree. Take the old 2-inch brush. I'm going to go right into Van Dyke brown, pick up some alizarin crimson, A little bit of dark sienna. I'm gonna go right into a little touch of yellow ochre. Okay, go back into a little more of the brown. Have to start making some big decisions here. And we need a tree trunk or two. So I'm gonna go right into Van Dyke brown with a fan brush. Right in there. Let's have some nice rocks that live out here too. We need a nice stone that lives. There he is. Liquid white, right into some of my yellows and greens. Maybe there's another big stone that lives here. And then we'll go back into our liquid white. Put us in a little water line in here. Just like so. Let's take these big old trees here. Just put the indication of some bark out here. Touch it, sort of pull it round. Let's just put a little stick or a twig or whatever. There we go. And let's come right in here and begin drawing in a few little branches right into yellow ochre, a little bit of the bright red. Okay, now I want to put an indication of some little leaves out here.